Tape weighing 1.075 kilogram has a standard pull of 8 kilograms. The tape's cross-sectional area and modulus of elasticity are 0.05 centimeters squared and 200 gigapascals respectively. What pull or normal tension is required in order that the effect of sag will be eliminated when the tape is supported at endpoints only? Okay, so ang ibig sabihin ng normal tension, ito yung applied pull na kung saan matatanggal daw or parang ma-eliminate yung effect ng or correction due to sag, no? So ang idea dito, actually may formula yan, pero hindi practical na kabisaduhin yung formula. Ang practical dito, pag sinabing normal tension, okay, so tawagin na lang natin na P sub N. Equate lang natin yan sa PA, yung applied tool. And then, yung correction due to sag, equate lang natin sa correction due to tension or pull. Okay, ano ba yung correction due to sag? Di ba? W squared unsupported length cube over 24 PA squared equals correction due to pull is applied pull minus the standard pull times length, unsupported length, or should I say length lang, no? So times AE, no? Ayan. Okay? So dahil yung tape, no, yung tape ay hinawakan mo lang sa ano, kabilang dulo. So bali yung dating merong sag, no? May sag yan eh. Yung dating merong sag, matatanggal. Kumbaga ito gagawin nating normal tension. Okay? So, kailangan na natin ilagay yung given. So, meron tayong length. So, baliyan na rin yung ano natin, ano? Unsupported length, 50 meters. Yung weight na, total weight is 1.075 kilograms. So, kailangan natin ito i-convert sa, ano, sa Newton per meter. No? Kasi itong W na to, itong small W, naka-ano yan eh, uniform weight. No? So, para maging uniform weight, that is the total weight, divide mo lang ng length ng plate. So that gives us 1.075, gawin natin Newton, divided by length ng plate na 50. So 0.211 Newton per meter. Okay? Kaya ako naisip na Newton kasi ano eh, gigapascal yung binigay. Okay? So, di ba mamaya pag naging megapascal yan, Newton yan eh, Newton per millimeter squared. No? So para lang maging consistent yung units later on. Ang standard pull given din, which is 8 kilograms. Okay? Okay, so siguro lagyan din natin itong naka-kilogram. Hindi ko pa kasi sure kung yan yung gagamitin ko or ano. Kung naka-kilogram naman, 0.0215. Okay, so tingnan lang natin mamaya kung anong pag-substitute dito, no? So una, makakancel to. So squared na lang yan. Tapos substitute na natin lahat ng meron tayo. Okay, so we have 24 PN squared. Tapos ito, mamaya ko nalagyan. Pero yung length kasi 50 meters squared equals PN minus 8 kilogram over A. So yung area nga pala ay 0.05 cm squared. Siguro gawin natin itong maganda. Millimeter, no? Gawin natin millimeter. So mag-multiply tayo ng 10 mm per 1 cm. Tapos naka-square. So 0.05 0.05 times 10 squared. So 5, no? Mm squared. Okay, para naka-millimeter. Okay, tapos yung E naman, gawin nating megapascal. So, 200,000. Ayan. So, check na natin units. Ito, naka-millimeter squared. Ito, naka-newton per millimeter squared. So, ibig sabihin, mas maganda nga na yung numerator naka-newton. Okay? Naka-newton, no? So, bali, mag-multiply ako dito ng 9.81. Para naka-newton to lahat. Bali, kilogram pa lang to. Tapos kapag nag-multiply ka niyan, magiging newton na siya. Okay? And then, isa pa, ito pala, wag natin gawing 50. Ay, hindi, okay lang, no? Okay lang na gawing 50 siguro ito. Kasi naka-per meter naman to eh. Okay, so gamitin natin yung naka-Newton, 0.211 Newton. Hindi. Yung naka-ano na lang, naka-grams, naka-kilograms. Okay, squared. No? Kasi, in-expect ko, naka-kilogram to. So, ibig sabihin, ito, naka-kilogram squared. Ito naman, kilogram per meter squared. Ito naman, naka-meter squared. So, cancel ito. Cancel din yung kilogram dito. Okay? And then for the other side, cancel ito. Cancel din ito. So, naka-kilogram din siya. No? So, okay na. So, from here, we can now solve the normal tension. So, this is in kilogram, 20.12. Okay, so if you want that in Newton, mag-multiply ka lang ng 9.81. Which is 197.4 newtons. Yung choices kasi naka-newtons. Ayan, 197.4. So that's how you solve this problem.